Hi guys, today we'll discuss about the topic performance of the computer. So to choose the better computer among the different computer, performance play a vital role. Performance depends on how fast machine instruction can be brought into the processor for execution and how fast they can be executed. So the prime factor of the success of the computer, one will be your speed, other will be the cost. So under this performance, there will be a many terminology will be there. Today in this video, we'll see about your response time, and the remaining terminology for your performance we'll see in the next video. So what is this response time or execution time? So we told a performance. So we need a good performance now, your time should be always less. So instead of executing the particular task in 10 minutes, if you execute it in your 5 minutes, your performance will be better. So the response time means or execution time is the total time required for the computer to complete the given task, and to complete this given task, this is going to include the times of the memory activities, IO activity, and your CPU execution time. CPU execution time na the time where your processor will be active. So that time calculation will called as CPU execution time. All this time all will be included in this response time or execution time. So this response or execution time should be always less. When it is less, your performance will be more. So we can tell this performance will be indirectly proportional to your execution time. Okay, so when your execution time is less, now performance will be more. So your performance is inversely proportional to your execution time. For example, I have a two set of computer, let it be X and Y. Okay, if your performance of the computer X is greater than the computer of Y, that is the performance of computer X is greater than the performance of your computer Y. Okay, for example, we have two computer X and Y. So the performance of X is greater than the performance of Y. So we know what is the performance equation. So performance will be inversely proportional to the execution time. So substitute this equation, the equation number 1. So we will get as 1 divided by execution time of X computer is greater than 1 divided by execution time of Y computer. Okay, so cross multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா execution time of Y computer is greater than execution time of X computer. Okay, yes, they gave the statement as the performance of computer X is greater than the performance of Y. So performance of computer X is higher. Then what is the meaning? Your execution time of your Y will be more. Okay, your Y will be more. So the execution time of Y is greater than the execution time of X. So the computer X is faster than your computer Y. So this final statement, final derivation states that the computer X is faster than your computer Y. Next, we are going to calculate how much time your computer X is faster than computer Y. So it is given by the formula. The performance X divided by performance of Y will be equal to N. So N going to tell you N number of time your computer X is faster than computer Y. So we know what is your performance equation. Substitute. The performance will be equal to 1 divided by execution time. So substitute this in the given equation. So 1 divided by execution time of X computer divided by 1 divided by execution time of Y will be equal to N number of times. So final equation will be execution time of Y divided by execution time of X will be equal to N number of time. So we have a formula to calculate how much time your computer X is faster than computer Y. It is given by execution time of Y divided by execution time of X will be equal to N. So we'll see a problem and by using this formula. So your first problem is, if a computer A runs a program in 10 seconds and the computer B going to run the same program in your 15 seconds, how much time A is faster than B? So what are the things given in the question is, they gave your execution time of A is 10 seconds and the execution time of B computer is 15 seconds, and they told to calculate how much time your A is faster than B. So you have to calculate your n value. So you have to calculate your n value. So we know the formula, the performance ratio is performance of A divided by B. Okay. So performance equation, we know that 1 divided by execution time of A divided by 1 divided by execution time of B. So you know what is the execution time of A computer and B, substitute in the given equation, and finally will get us 15 divided by 10. So will be equal to 1.5. Will be equal to 1.5. So we can state that the computer A is, now what will be the n value? 1.5. So computer A is 1.5 times faster than your computer B. Okay, this is about your performance. So under this performance, we see in the first terminology which is called as response time or execution time. So always this response or execution time should be lesser to get your higher performance. The remaining terminology we'll see in the next video. Thank you.